Welcome back to the channel, and today I wanted to show you the Amenity kit for Air Europa's business class. Please follow me on Instagram at BrandonJohnson10K for behind the scenes looks at content that I will be reviewing in the future. So this is a look at Air Europa's business class Amenity kit. This is as of March 2025. So here you've got the small pouch there. The contents contain a shoe bag. That's an interesting one. I don't see that one often or at all. You've got socks, got eye shades, got lotion and a face moisturizer with that, and you've got earplugs, a dental kit, and I'll say a pretty sturdy bamboo comb there. So those are the contents inside of Air Europa's business class Amenity kit. As always, thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and share this with a friend. Thank you.